I mean, I'm trying to play it cool and play it down, but like, can you tell by my face that I'm genuinely like so excited? Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. This is the third time that I'm actually starting the intro, and that never happens. I normally film and I just do it in one go and it's no problem, but I'm so excited to do today's video that I just feel like nothing feels right or good enough, if you know what I mean. If you're new to my channel, my name is Tamara and I love talking about handbags. Well, about other stuff as well, general fashion, beauty and lifestyle, travel, a lot of travel. But today's video is very special for me because I couldn't wait for this particular Hermes unboxing in such a long time. I have unboxed Hermes bags before for you guys on this channel, however this one is very special and I will tell you a whole story about the bag as well as the whole new system on how to actually get one of these bags at Hermes. I think if you are interested in one of these, you will probably find it very useful because I found it very useful, and that's how I got the bag. So I'm gonna cut to the chase straight away. Over here I got something very special that came with me from Paris. I was in Paris for Haute Couture week and I had to pop into Hermes on Rue Saint-Honoré. They have several Hermes stores. I know they have one at Jour 5. I think there's one in Saint-Germain. Yeah, there's one in Boulevard Saint-Germain, close to Boulevard Saint-Germain, and then there's the flagship one, which is where I got my bag. Now, recently I've been getting a lot of questions about my kind of like purchase choices and why do I choose to buy, like, recently I bought like a Louis Vuitton bag and a Chanel handbag, and you guys asked me, well, like, didn't you want to buy more Hermes handbags? And the truth is yes, but if you know how this works, you know it's not as easy as just walking into a store and being like, hi, I would like to buy an Hermes handbag. Now, I have a very good relationship with an SA in London and a very good relationship with an SA in Vienna. However, I ended up getting my bag in Paris because Vienna store is a flagship store, so they don't get as many bags as you would think as like other stores. London store, I mean, the truth being told, I travel so much that I'm not in London enough to kind of keep popping back and checking in if they actually have bags, which is their system. There is no waiting list, but the system is such that you just kind of have to keep showing your face, and I don't have that much free time to keep popping in. And then Paris is where I really liked the system. So Paris store on Rue Saint-Honoré has a different system to any other store in the world. And I don't know if I'm shooting myself in the foot for revealing this, but I love you guys that much that I will share the strategy with you. I have maybe shopped once or twice in that store to buy like a click-clack bracelet or a twilly, but that's it. I have no purchase history from that boutique, as well as I did not have a sales associate that would help me in Paris store up until now. I know I'm keeping you a bit like in this kind of like whole waiting for the like to see what's in the bag thing, but I just want to tell the story first. There's a new system which is basically online. Day before you plan to go to the store between 10:30 and I feel like it's 6 p.m. you go on a website which I will leave in the description box below. You click on there and you apply. You have to leave your phone number, your passport number, your name, so you cannot apply like a billion times. You can only apply once as a person. The system's quite in place. So you put your phone number, your passport number and your name, and you will apply for the next working day. So if you're applying on Monday, it will be for Tuesday, Tuesday will be for Wednesday, Wednesday will be for Thursday, Thursday will be for Friday, Friday will be for Saturday, Saturday will be for Monday because the store is closed on Sundays. So you can only apply between 10:30 and 6 French time, and then once you apply you will find out approximately about 7:30 p.m. I think something like that. I will put all the information in the description box below if I'm incorrect, because I have all the screenshots from how it works. So I applied on Saturday for Monday. I received a text message, we're very sorry, we cannot see you. I applied on Sunday for Monday again. I got a text message being like, so sorry, cannot. I applied on Monday for Tuesday, received the text message, so sorry, we cannot see you. And I applied on Wednesday, thinking, you know what, there's no point. I already tried at this point all sorts of times throughout the day. I already was like, went to Louis Vuitton and bought another handbag, and then a few hours later I received, we are pleased to confirm your appointment with one of the Hermes sales associates tomorrow. So tomorrow morning, I got up and I was like, 10:30, I have my appointment. You receive a link where you track what time your appointment is. So I clicked on the link and it said 1 o'clock. I was so disappointed because I was like, no, I wanted it to be at 10:30, and then it was at 1. And then the time kept moving. It was like, actually I feel like first it was 11, then it was 12, then it was 1, then it was 2, then it was 3. Then from 3 it moved back to 2, so you constantly have to keep checking what time actually is your appointment. Anyway, the time has finally come. I went to the store. There I waited for around 5 to 10 minutes to be greeted by the nicest sales associate, and she took me to a private room where she asked me what would I like. Chris, do you think we're gonna get offered the bag?
I hope so, because it was so stressful getting here.
I hope so too. Guys, fingers crossed. The moment is here. We got a bag offered.
Guys, you don't even understand how beautiful it is.
Sorry, I was so excited that I almost didn't film. Okay, are you excited? Shall we show them?
You're gonna show it now or in the unboxing?
Okay, I'm gonna show you that the box is here. Night before that, I consulted my friends, 2 of my friends who have a huge Hermes collections, like every single bag, Kelly, Birkin, Constance, everything, Evelyn, everything you can imagine. And I have asked them what do they use the most, how do they like them. I already have 2 Constance bags, larger and smaller, but I was not sure if I wanted a Birkin or a Kelly. Generically, I wanted a Birkin, and I was like, okay, I want Birkin 25 or 30, I don't know what I want, oh my god, this is so hard. I wasn't really entirely sure. So, my sales associate was so nice, not snobby or not like, I don't know, in any way kind of patronizing or blaming me for not like fully speaking Hermes language. Like I knew some colors, but I knew I wanted a colorful bag. Now you guys know me. I don't think I own a black bag. Maybe I do, but out of like 85 bags that I own, I think 2 are black. Should I show it to you first? I should show it to you first. I feel like I'm blabbing too much. It's already 5 minutes of this video and I haven't actually showed you what's in here. I am so freaking excited for this moment. I cannot believe that this is happening. I mean, I'm trying to play it cool and play it down, but like, can you tell by my face that I'm genuinely like so excited? So I could have gotten this as well vintage way before, but I really wanted just this feeling, you know? Okay. I've only seen it once and it was days ago. So now, ladies and gentlemen, I hope I'm in focus. I hope it's filming. I hope you can see it. I normally never keep boxes from my like designer purchases, but I will keep it on this occasion. So inside we have, besides the bag obviously, like kind of Hermes something booklet, and the raincoat. Wow, I didn't actually know they come with the rain protection. I guess I haven't seen enough of these unboxing videos. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. So the lady came in and she asked me, okay, what is it that you would like? And the first thing that I told her I would like is what she brought me. So I kept going on and on and on, but the thing number 1 that I told her that I wanted is what she brought. And she brought me, okay, a Kelly 28 Epsom leather. I said like if I wanted, like when it comes to leather, I wanted either a Togo or something like that. I really wanted a bag that will keep the form, the shape, and the bag that like I will not kind of scratch easily, if that makes sense. I told her I wanted a green bag because I only have one other green bag and I actually do tend to wear it a lot. I cannot wait to remove this bit, by the way. So here we go. And here she is. The color, I'm just looking at it on the screen. First, when I took it out of the box, it looked very bright green. But it's a little bit more of a forest green, I would say. It's quite boxy because it's Epsom. So if, like me, you're kind of relatively new to the Hermes language, I will explain everything in a second. Wow, this is just so beautiful. Like the whole, like the size 28 is so perfect. I don't know, I'm obsessed. I feel like now it shows lighter than it actually is. But if I bring it a bit back, it's the truth color. I don't know how to explain it. She also asked me, okay, so she asked me, would you like a twilly with it as well? And I said yes. She brought a bunch of twillies, and this is the one I picked because I really like pastel colors. But now that I think about it, I have a perfect twilly for it, which is the one from my top 5 handbags video. It is like sort of green and burgundy. It's perfect for this time of the year. So I said to her, I would like a Kelly 28 golden hardware Epsom leather green, and it's all I got. The color official Hermes name for this bag, it's cactus. It's golden hardware Epsom leather, which means it's kind of boxy and harder, and it's a bit stronger and it keeps the shape longer. I got everything I wanted. This is this new color for 2019, so very nice and fancy. And now I'm gonna talk to you about my reasoning. Now I have to figure out where these all things go. I had like a very late night tea with my friend Vicky from Vicky and the Kid, who told me to get Kelly 28. First of all, I like a bag with a shoulder strap. Now you know that because most of my bags do have shoulder straps, and the ones that don't, I try to kind of make sure that they do. Like I put on like a shoulder strap on them because I just love shoulder straps so much, and I find it a bit more practical when I'm like typing, when I'm on the go, you know, like with my job and everything I do. The shoulder strap is just essential. So for me, Kelly would be ideal. I for sure will get a Birkin. Now that I have my foot in Hermes, like I for sure will get a Birkin at some point. But right now, this is what I really wanted. Like I wanted a bag with a shoulder strap. The leather is so stunning. It is kind of like the same structure as my Constance bag, the burgundy one that I love so much, and I'm just so excited for this. I think the size is perfect. Now when I bought it, I was like, oh my god, did I buy a too big bag? Like, cause you know, like smaller bags are now a trend, and I was like, should I have gotten 25? But now when I see it, I think it's absolutely perfect. It's no bigger than my like Chanel, my gray CC trend. It's not bigger than that. In fact, I think it's even smaller than that bag, and it's just absolutely beautiful. When I look at it inside, it has 2 pockets in the front and 1 zip pocket in the back, which I'm trying to show you, but to be as gentle to the bag as possible. A lot of people kind of wear it open. Then I do like an option of like having my bag closed. Paris store, I think, probably has every single bag there is that you might want at any point of any time. So I think it's really, really worth going there. What I think helped is I did go from a fashion show, actually from a fashion event, so I was dressed quite fashionably, if that's a word. And while I was there, the big boss of Hermes, Michael Kost, was there as well, and my essay introduced me to him. We took a picture, he published it on his Instagram. That was also a very nice kind of, actually I felt very welcome. I did not feel like anyone was rude or snobby, or that I was not welcome in the store, or that people were kind of like unhelpful, or that customer service, like my essay, I honestly cannot wait to go to Paris to see her. She was so friendly, so nice, that I was like, oh, surely you're not from Paris. Because sometimes like people in Paris can be a little bit too much. None of my actually followers that I met in Paris, because I met a lot of my followers from Paris, and they honestly are one of the most polite, most stylish people in the world. Like just in the last, now during the haute couture, I met wonderful people, and all of them were so nice and fashionable and stylish and kind. So I just, you know, I don't know what I expected. I expected the people in Hermes are gonna be a bit difficult and that she was not gonna offer me a bag, but they were so nice. And you know, it is 100% law of attraction, which I will make sure one of my next videos is going to be about. This handbag in green color, and I will tell you why in one of my next law of attraction videos. So here it is, my first Kelly 28 handbag is here. I'm so happy that I was patient, that I waited, that this happened, and that I got my first, well, Kelly in Paris flagship store, which makes it even more special. So yeah, I just need to figure out where this little dangling thing goes now. I think it goes somewhere here, so I am just gonna attach that as well right away. Let me know what you think about this bag. I will definitely do like a mini review once I've worn it a few times. I hope that this video was useful. I hope that you kind of enjoyed learning about the process, and let me know if any of you kind of get lucky as well the way I did. I honestly think it was such a magical experience. I was so happy that day. When I was on the train back to London, I was like guarding it with my life, thinking like, oh my god, I'm carrying like a bag. One other thing that I have to tell you that I thought was amazing is that when I bought it, obviously they gave me the orange bag, the orange box, but it was put in a white bag, so it didn't say Hermes or anything like that. And yeah, like that was very nice, because I felt much safer and I did not feel that anyone was going to rob me or steal the bag from me. Or on the train, like Eurostar to London, I did not feel insecure or anything like that. I kind of had other ideas as well of what I would get. I was asking for a blue Birkin if like in case I didn't get a Kelly, but she literally brought me my first choice, and I'm very happy about it. I actually wanted a fuchsia one as well. That was as well an option, but then Christina was like, Tamara, please don't ask for a fuchsia bag. Like seriously, I mean, it might seem like a good idea, but I don't think it's a great idea like in life. So thanks, Christina. I'm happy, so happy with this choice. Cannot wait to kind of bring it around the world. I think it will also be so cute summer months with like my Zimmermann jumpsuits, dresses, like traveling, going away. And yeah, that is basically it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know what you think about this bag. I'm so now like obsessed with Hermes. I want to watch all of the kind of videos, get to know the brand more, because now I'm learning the lingo. I'm like figuring out the palladium hardware, the gold hardware. I'm figuring out what's like, you know what. I'm kind of like learning the whole like Togo, Epsom, yada, different colors. And let me know if there are any Instagram pages that I should follow to kind of get more familiarized with the brand, like with bags, with everything there is to know. And yeah, thank you for watching. I will also make sure to link below where you can buy a vintage Hermes bag right away, so that you don't have to wait and go around the world like I do to get them. I will try and link my favorite colors at the moment, like the ones that I think are in perfect condition and the ones that I love besides the Kelly and Birkin that I feel like would be an amazing Hermes kind of first thing to have. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you very soon. Bye guys!